Hello students, today we are going to study the topic solution of chapter Is Matter Around Us PR. Okay, so what is a solution? You may take water and you add sugar, okay, and you just stir it, that is a solution, isn't it? So how can we divide it, how can we define it? Okay, it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. You have taken water, you have added salt to it, add sugar to it, add salt also to it. What will happen? You can't differentiate between the sugar, salt in the water. All gets mixed properly, isn't it? So here one is being added. Mainly the solution are binary in nature. Okay, binary means two are present, that is the solute and the solvent. Okay, suppose you have made the solution of sugar and water. So what is sugar will be what? Solute, and solvent will be water. Okay, so these are the components which are present in what? Solution, that is the solute and solvent. The substance which is being added to other substance which is being added is known as solute. In which it is being added, it is known as what? Solvent. So in sugar and water solution, sugar is being added to water, so it is solute, and in water the sugar is being added, so water becomes what? Solvent. Okay, so what are the properties of a pure solution? This pure solution is homogeneous in nature. What do you mean by homogeneous in nature? When you are adding sugar to water, you can't find any demarcation or a boundary between what sugar and water. It can't be seen by our eyes where sugar is present and where water is present. It is totally homogeneous in nature, and so this solution is totally what? Homogeneous in nature, in that the components can't be seen by our eyes because they are mixed totally properly and it can't be made by our eyes. Okay, now solute particles in a solution easily pass through a filter paper. Okay, so all the solute particles, like if we are taking sugar and water, what happens in this sugar and water? If we are filtering it, this solution, will you get anything in the filter paper as residue? You will not get, because all the solution this will be passed through the filter paper as filtrate. Okay, particle size is very small, and it is smaller than 1 nanometer. 1 nanometer means 10 to the power 9 minus 9 meter. So it's very small, and so it mixes totally and forms a homogeneous solution. Okay, and now this solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture. This I said to you, that all the solute particles of the solution easily pass through the filter paper. They can't be separated by the process of filtration. So these are the properties of what? Pure, these are the properties of solution. So next topic we are going to study is concentration of a solution. Concentration of a solution means what? It is the relative amount of solute and solvent present in the solution. It means it is a comparative term here, because we are seeing how much solute is present in how much solvent. In this, actually concentration is determined in terms of what? The solute. Okay, so we can say how much amount of solute is present in a solvent, and so different ways of expressing the concentration of solution is, the first is by mass percentage or mass by mass percentage. Actually in this you will see that how much solute in grams is being dissolved in 100 grams of solution. Okay, in this we see in terms of what? Grams. So the formula becomes mass of the solute into 100 upon mass of solution. Okay, so mass of solution, it is what? Solute plus solvent. Suppose if you are given what? 20 grams of sugar and the solvent is given 80 grams of water. You are adding 20 grams of sugar in 80 grams of water. So your solution will be how much? Solution is solute plus solvent, so it becomes 20 plus 80, that is 100. So now take out the mass percentage. How will you take out the mass percentage? Mass of the solute into 100 upon what? Mass of the solution. Mass of the solution is how much? 100, isn't it? You got 100 right now. So here what you will do? You will cancel and you get what? 20% mass percentage. Okay. Now second is mass by volume percentage. So now it is clear to it that solute is in grams and it is present in what? 100 ml of any solution. Okay, so here the formula becomes what? Mass of the solute into 100 upon volume of solution in milliliters. So here if I am saying that we are taking 20 grams of sugar, okay, and a solution which is formed by adding 20 grams of solution in that sugar is what? 200 ml. So now how will you solve this? Here mass of solute is how much? 20, okay, into 100 upon volume of solution in milliliter. Here volume is how much? Volume of solution, it is 200 ml, isn't it? So what will happen? Just cancel it up. It becomes what? Volume percentage becomes 10%. Okay. Now next coming is volume by volume percentage. It means here liquid and liquid is present, and here volume of the solute is taken in what? Milliliters, which is present in the solution. We compare it with what? 100 ml of solution. So here what happens? The formula becomes volume of solute into 100 upon volume of solution. Okay. So here you have taken what? Ethanol. 20 ml of ethanol, and you have added in water to form a solution of 100 ml. Okay, so now here when you are doing this, so what happens? By the formula volume of the solute, it is 20, okay, into 100 upon volume of the solution, it is 100. So now cancel it up, it becomes what? 20%. Okay. So this is how we can take out the concentration of the solution. So here I have solved some numericals for you, but yes, practicing more numericals will be better. Okay. Good day. Take care.